Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. So we're going to be going into my PLouise subscription box today. This box is for July 2024. Now I know you guys, it feels like that was ages ago. Why are we unboxing this? It always ships really late. It's not my fault, I swear. So I have my July box with me. We're going to go ahead and open it up today and check it all out. And we're going to see what's going on in this box. So as always, if you guys are interested in this subscription, I do have a link listed down below for you guys. I recently switched this subscription from a monthly plan to, did I do yearly? Or maybe I did 6 months. I can't remember exactly what it was. So it is a little bit cheaper the longer you subscribe to this box. But what was killing me is the shipping fees to have this shipped from the UK to the US was ridiculous, you guys. Like every month that shipping fee, it was the price of another subscription box. So I decided to go in and just pay a little bit more up front because they only charge you a shipping fee once. And then you're not getting charged every month. So if you do sign up for the annual subscription, they'll charge you a one-time shipping fee up front. But I think again, it was like $15 and then you're covered for that entire year. So it is a lot more affordable with this box if you are able to pay up front for more months. So that's just one little tip I'll give you guys with this box. Now, like I said, this is the July 2024 box. It will always ship out at the end of that month. So like this shipped out at the end of July from the UK. By the time I receive it, it's usually the second week of the following month. So about the second week of August is when it did arrive. And so yes, I am a little bit behind in getting this box up. We had FabFitFun and some other ones I wanted to do first. I have a link down below, but just keep in mind that it can take a few weeks to get to you just because it is international shipping. All right, this is my favorite part, is pulling off this tab on this box. So hopefully it works. Sometimes these don't work, but let's see here. Ooh, it works today. There's something so satisfying about ripping that off. So inside of my July box, I see pink, but honestly, we always see pink. Like, what else is new? First up, inside of our box, we have Hungry Eyes. This is like the song. So it says, made with love. We have In My Sights, Feeling Full, and For My Eyes Only. This is a set of 3 eyelashes. And I will say, well, 3 different styles of eyelashes. It's not like you're getting just 3 eyelashes. It's 3 pairs of lashes. How weird would that be if you just got 3 random eyelashes? So again, we have 3 different pairs in here. I do think they look really good. Like they look natural. I don't wear falsies, partially because they're just difficult to put on, you guys. But then I hate if they come off and they're like, you know, floating there. So I just don't mess with them. But one thing that I'm not a fan of is like the really, unless you're going for an avant-garde look or something intentional that's supposed to be costumey, the fake lashes that are just, it's just too much for me. I mean, it's just crazy. I like the more natural lashes. These look, I mean, I would wear these. These look really nice. They look like natural lashes. So I think these are really pretty. They're not costumey at all. I'm probably still not gonna wear them, but you know, I think they're pretty. The next item that I have inside of my box today is the Glisten to Your Heart. It is a glitter liner duo. I love glitter. So we have 2 pens in here and they're going to be glitter pens. And you can use these as like eyeliner or you could do some line work with it as well. Okay, this is really cool, you guys. So the shades on this is called Inner Calling and Heart's Desire. So like I said, there are 2 inside of this box, but it is a full-size box set here. So this is what they will look like. I love these colors. This first one that we have here, this is Heart's Desire. So this is the one that looks a little bit more of like a rose gold. I feel like there's a gold tone to this one. So we'll pull this out. I'll do a quick swatch. Keep in mind, it is just a liner. So it's not supposed to be a lot of it, but it works. I mean, I like how the felt tip blends really well too. Like it doesn't tug or pull or anything like that. So you can definitely see that glitter there. The other one that we have is in the shade Inner Calling. And this one definitely has more pink in it. So it's definitely got strong pink vibes. We're going to go right above it. Ooh, I take that back. Then it goes down and it looks more bronze. See, there's pink there. But then look at how it catches the light and it looks a little bit more bronzy. Interesting. Well, I like these, you guys. Next up, I have, ooh, like 4 of these. They're all just sitting in the box too, so it's not like it's in a set. I mean, it's not a box set, put it that way. So this is the PLouise Lip Base. It says achieve the perfect pout. This is a base product that will keep your lips in place all day and hydrate your skin as well. So this one is called No Censor. I think this is the shade, which if that is, okay, my understanding of this, if I'm getting it right, is we're putting this down first as like a lip primer. If I put this shade on my lips, it's not going to work. Like there's just no way I'm going to be able to use this one. And so that's what I think is kind of interesting. I'm looking at these shades that are in here. The next one that I have is Power Hungry. And it kind of looks like these might be the shades that didn't sell well. Next is She's a Baddie. And you can see that there. Now, maybe I'm not understanding these correctly. This one is called True Love's Kiss. Now, this I could probably work with. But I believe that's what we're looking at, is that it's a primer that you would put it on your lips and then apply your lip application. And then it will help to keep your lipstick or liner or whatever it is in place longer throughout the day. But of these 4, I mean, I just don't even feel like I can use these at all. I definitely think I can work with this, but these just seem a little too dark for my complexion. So it does kind of feel like they were like, ah, you know what? These aren't selling. Let's go ahead and throw them in here. But yeah, I hope somebody can use these. This will definitely be something that, you know, either I'm donating or it's going in a giveaway or something. Like they're not going to get thrown out. I never waste them like that. But just for myself, they're too dark for me. Oh, but this one is the eyeshadow base. This is an amazing product, you guys. So my next item that I have inside of the box is the PLouise base. I actually own several of these. I have a few different shades. So it's an eyeshadow primer and it's a liquid formula that you will put all over your eyelid and then let it dry. And then you'll just put your eyeshadow on like normal and it will keep your shadows in place without falling out. They're not going to crease either from blinking. And it's going to stay there despite like sweat or humidity or, you know, anything else like that. So I have not seen this product in her subscription box ever because it sells out all the time. When I see my shades, I always buy it and just stock up because they're always selling out. So I'm a little surprised that it's in her subscription box because it's just always so popular. So this one you can also use as a, what do I want to say? Like a cut crease look for your eyes as well. So if you want to do it as a primer, you can, but then you could also go over top of it like a cut crease and then apply a shimmer as well. So you can do a lot with this base product, but I love it. Now the shade that we have here, thankfully, is a shade that I will use. This is number 2, and this is one that I buy all the time. So it's Rumor number 2, and it's just a really nice basic shade. It doesn't change the color of your eyeshadows at all. It's just a really great primer. It even says in here that you won't know how you lived without it. It's kind of true, you guys. This is one product that I do swear by, so love that it's in the box. Last item that we have today in our box. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a chocolate bar. This is totally giving me Willy Wonka vibes, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is the Sweet Surrender chocolate palette given to the Temptation. I love it. So first off, notice this packaging, how cute it is. It's adorable. Everything is cruelty-free as well from this brand. This one states that it is a palette that you can use for eye and face. And I will say, her palettes are usually pretty amazing, you guys. I love that it looks like a Wonka bar though. Ah, it's so cute. So we do have a mirror inside, and then down below, it looks like, okay, forget the Wonka bar. It looks like a box of chocolates, and these are your little truffles inside. Look at them. Oh my gosh, you guys. So here is our chocolate palette. You can actually see the little chocolate designs as well, so it does resemble your chocolate box. How cute. Now what's great about this is there is a variety of formulas. So we've definitely got shimmers in here. We've got your mattes, but there's also cream products as well. So I kind of like that because you can mix and match them and make them work. I'm so excited. Also, I just have to say that we've not had a lot of palettes this year like we did in 2023. I mean, every box I was getting a palette from this brand. This year, we've seen a lot of her skincare line, which makes sense because it is new, but it's just nice to get back to basics. This is why I love this subscription, and I love getting these large palettes from her. So I'm excited this is back in the box. I hope they keep doing this. So that is everything inside of the PLouise box for July 2024. I love this, you guys. I love the whole curation. It's very eye focused. So I like the fact that you're getting eyeshadows in here. You're getting an eyeshadow primer as well. We have the lashes and we also have the eyeliner to go with it. It's just a whole collection and I love that. The only thing that doesn't fit are the 4 lip primers, but again, it kind of feels like they just sort of tossed those in because they weren't selling, you know what I mean? So I almost feel like those were bonus items that they put into our box, but the actual like box that was curated was this whole eye set. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this PLouise box, but I love it. I'm so pleased with my subscription on this one. If you guys are interested again, I've got that link down below. And if you would be so wonderful, I would love it if you could put a like on this video or hit that thumbs up button down below. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!